of year of 2016, you shall be relegated.
But as it is now, the Kenya Premier League that was scheduled to kick off this weekend remains suspended until the two warring factions patch up the differences. Hassan Juma, KTN Sports.
A number of teams will be battling in this year's edition of the Standard Chartered Road to Anfield tournament. And a lot of them are optimistic that when it comes to the 25th of February, they're going to have what it takes to star and win this year's edition of the championship. The winner of the local qualifying tournament will travel to Tanzania to take part in the East Africa Regional Final to fight for the qualification to the international round in Liverpool. This is the departure from last year's tournament where winners Capital FM got a direct qualification to Liverpool. Previous winners of the local event include Capital FM, Postal Corporation of Kenya, Standard Media Group, where I happen to be a member of that team, and also Pan-African Insurance.